Hey there, in this video I am going to teach you the right way to post and get more views on TikTok. I know you have been stuck in between 50 to 100 views on TikTok with no engagement. It is simply because you have been posting the wrong way. In this video I am going to teach you the right way to post and get more views and more engagement on TikTok. And before we start, kindly hit the subscribe and then hit the bell icon. Now let's dive into it. Let's click on Play Store. Click on search and search for TikTok Studio. Click on TikTok Studio. Search for TikTok Studio. Studio app. Search for it. Now if you have it, just update it. If you don't have it, kindly download it and install it. Now let's click on open. So this is how it is going to open. This is how it's going to open. So kindly click on create. When you click on create, now click on upload. Search the video you want to upload. Now I want to post this video. So here I am going to do a few editing about my video because I'm seeing some little these faults about the video, so I want to rearrange it. So I'm going to mute the video and forward it fast as I am editing it. So guys, just hold on. Yeah, so here it's going to we are going to now do our settings here because we will now, this is my title for the video. I'm going to use these hashtags FYP here, then I'll hashtag again, and I'm done with my hashtag. So now I'm going to click the cover and I click on upload here, then bring this guy here. So this is my cover art for the video I want to post. I'm going to use this here sticker here, and then let's jump to our next post. Okay, so everything is here. You have to put this thing on allow high quality uploads, then you click here and you check your this thing. Make sure it's on everyone. Now you have to add a playlist. That's if you have one. If you don't have one, fine. But me, I have playlist, so I've added it to my playlist. Now here's where it gets interesting. This is the last thing you need to do to make sure you get your videos right on the right view. Now you shadow this post. So you're going to click on this shadow here. You click on the shadow and set the time to where you want TikTok to post the video for you by itself. Because if you give that TikTok that time period, TikTok is going to watch the video, navigate it, and do their things, do their analysis and all that to make sure your video have been able to meet their community guidelines, and it is going to be appropriate in the community with everything. So if they post this for you, that means your video has met their community guideline standards. So they are going to put it right in the FYP for you, so that people will watch it and you get more viewers and more engagement and more followers as well. So this video, I want to put this video exactly at 5:30. So I'm going to put this here. 17 is 5. and then I'll bring this down here, somewhere here, 5:30. So this is it, and the date is today. So if it was supposed to be tomorrow, then I have to drag it like this, but it is today. I want to put it to this, which is 1 hour 30 minutes later to right now. So I'll click done. After that, you can see the time is here, everything for me. So I'll just click on schedule. So you can see now the blue ink is written scheduled at to 5:30 p.m. and it is uploading. So you have to wait for your video to upload, finish uploading. So after it is upload, you just leave there and go your way, because this video is going to be posted by TikTok itself. If you post direct, that simply tells TikTok that TikTok don't know much about your video, so they don't share your video to FYP for you to get more engagement. So this is the right way to post your video, so put it in mind. If you like this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also make sure that you are following us. You leave a comment and be part of my YouTube channel community and learn more from my page, and you are going to have more ideas about these things. It is easy. Thank you for watching. Till we meet again in another edition.